In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to add keyframe and why keyframe is so important in Capcut. Keyframe is just an option. If you want to animate something or moving something, or if you want zoom in or zoom out an image, you need to use keyframe. So let's get into the tutorial. Okay, I added this grid background image. You can use a video or any type of image. Now I will add this burger image and decrease the scale. Now I want this burger image is moved from left side to right side. That's why I need to use keyframe. From the right side under the video basic, and here you can see add keyframe. This sign is a keyframe sign. So I will add keyframe from this point. Select the image and add the keyframe. If I click the keyframe will be added. Here you can see the keyframe sign is not available. When I click the keyframe, you can see the keyframe is added. If I remove the keyframe, you can see the keyframe will be deleted. Again, if I click the keyframe, you can see the keyframe sign is here. Now I want another keyframe at the end point. So move the line at the end point and also move this image from the left side to right side. You can see the keyframe is added automatically. This is our first keyframe and this is our second keyframe. Now if I play this video, you can see again. Now I want to move the burger image from left side to center and center to top. Just click the keyframe and press the delete key from the keyboard. The keyframe has gone. First keyframe is added, okay, and move the line at the center point. Also the burger image is moving from the left to center. This is our second keyframe, and move the line at the end point. Also move the burger from center to top. This is our first keyframe and second keyframe and third keyframe. Now if I play the video, you can see again. Now I want zooming. First we will add a keyframe. So I click the keyframe is added. Now move the line at the end point. From the right side, just increase the scale 100%. The second keyframe is added automatically. If I run the video, the burger is zooming. Again, you can see. Now I want zoom out. First I will add a keyframe. Here you can see the keyframe is added, and move the line at the end point. From this transform, decrease the scale. The keyframe automatically added. Now if I run the video, you can see again. So I hope you understand the keyframe. Now I will add this circle and decrease the scale. Now I want this circle should be rotated. I will add keyframe. The keyframe is added, and move the line at the end point. Here you can see the rotate. Just simply turn. If I run the video, you can see I will add another circle here. First I will add a keyframe and move the line at the end point and just rotate. Automatically the keyframe is added. Click this image and add keyframe. Move the line at the end point and rotate. Now you can see. Now I want this image should be zooming. Just click the image and add keyframe. Now just move the line at the end point and increase the scale. Now you can see. So I hope you understand the keyframe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.